Hi Rahul, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm doing good.
I see you have worked on data analytics projects.
Yes, ma'am. I have worked on end-to-end projects from data preparation to data visualization.
Okay, so can you build an interactive Power BI dashboard from raw data right now?
Of course, earlier it used to take me 2 to 3 days, but now I can do it in just 3 hours. First, I have to clean and transform data using Power Query, implement the DEX measures, and finally build a KPI-focused Power BI dashboard.
So do you have any experience in AI-driven data analytics?
Yes, using Power BI Copilot and Python-based analytics, I identify trends and make data-driven decisions.
Wow, that's great. You have quite a bit of knowledge in data analytics as a fresher. How come?
That's because I pursued the data analytics course from Weaver's Web Academy.
Get hands-on training in live projects and a complete guidance in job interview preparation. So hurry up, join Weaver's Web Academy's Data Analytics and Power BI course today.